soil erosion and depletion are the two major threats to soil as a resource. There are various factors which bring about the degradation, that is overgrazing or overuse of the land, or the loss of fertility due to various factors, or the rainfall, that is the floods when they come, landslides, all this causes the degradation. But there are various methods to conserve soil, because conservation of soil will only lead to good fertility, will lead to a better and healthy living. When I talk of the soil conservation method, the first is mulching. Mulching is when the bare ground available between the plants is covered with an organic material like straw. This is called as mulching, and this prevents the or holds the moisture in the soil. Then contour barriers. Contour barriers are that the stones, grass and soil are used as barriers, and in front of the contours the trenches are made so that the water is retained. Besides, rock dam is another method of soil conservation. The rocks are piled one on each other in order to make the flow of the water slow, so that the water does not wash away the soil. Terrace farming. The flat surfaces are made so that they are available for growing crops. Then we have intercropping. Intercropping could be that between the rows which are made in the field itself, different crops are grown, or one after the other the crops are grown in a season, so that the land is able to retain the moisture, retain the fertility. Shelter belts. Shelter belts are in fact the trees which are planted, the rows of them, and this can check the wind movement and thus they protect the soil cover. So we have understood that in fact soil is very important for the fertility of any land, and if the soil is degraded due to afforestation or due to landslide or due to floods or human factors like pesticides and insecticide usage too much, actually can be stopped and prevented by using the various methods of soil conservation. Once again revising: the mulching method, the contour barriers, the rock dam and the terrace farming, and the intercropping method and the shelter belts. All of these are the methods which help in the conservation of soil.